The PNI SafeHome PT700 wireless alarm system is the newest and most complete alarm system for your home due to the multitude of control possibilities and the various types of accessories that are compatible with it. Being a modern alarm system, PNI SafeHome PT700 can send notifications and alerts directly on the smartphone and can be controlled and partially configured with the help of dedicated applications Tuya Smart or Smart Life. The system offers total protection of the home, giving the user total control and real-time monitoring of the system and recorded events.